Did you know you can make 100% organic avocado oil at home? With just a few avocado, you can create a natural oil that transforms your hair, your skin, and healthy. So stay tuned. But before that, please subscribe, like, and share for me. To my returning subscribers, may God bless you all. Now let's dive into the video. So here, what I do is I have 5 avocado. I wash all my avocado already. So after washing it, I clean the water. So the next thing I'm taking, or the next step that I'm starting now, is to remove or to break it, because I'm going to remove the avocado butter. But please feel free to correct me in my English. The best name or the right name they are calling avocado, I'm calling it avocado butter. I don't know whether it's the right name or it's not the right name they are calling it, but I want to know what is the name in English. Okay, avocado is having so many benefits, so I'm not going to throw anything away. Seed plus the avocado, peels, avocado peel, avocado seed, I'm not throwing anything away, so you have to stay tuned and watch to the end. So now the next thing, after remove my avocado butter, I bring my hand blender to restart blending it, because this thing I need it to be paste way. So you can use hand blender. If you don't have hand blender, you can use your potato masher. If you don't have potato masher, then you can use fork or spoon to mash it, or you can just use asanka. I don't know your country whether you have that thing. In Ghana we have something they call asanka or ayua. You can use that thing to mash your avocado and spraying it into your pan this way. Get something that that it, put it in a place that that the oil will not come out. Okay, so right now let's quickly and check avocado. That's the next oil that I'm making right now. But please, I have the full video in my channel. You can go and watch the full video if you want to see the full tutorial of how I make my avocado oils. So avocado is hair growing and strengthening hair. It's also moisturizing skin. It's also packed with vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and vitamin B. So this is what avocado have. Okay, so this is my first batch of avocado oil making. It's pure, fresh, no chemicals, nothing. I make it at home. Please let me know if you also would try to make avocado oil by yourself in your house. Let me know in the comments below. And if you are interested, want to see how I make it my first time doing experiments in avocado oil, check my channel. You will see the full video over there, so that you watch the full video, or check the description below. I will attach the full video link over there, so that you can still watch the full video over there again. Thank you very much for your watching. So now you can see, after straining it, this is how we get my oil. Bye bye.